How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Today we are gonna be making sushi.
Fish are friends, not food.
But it's not what you think, because we are not gonna be using any meat. And we're not gonna be using any vegetables either. In fact, we're not gonna be using any rice. What? Today we are gonna be making sushi from candy. Look at this, pretty cool, huh? The name of the brand is called Poppin' Cookin'. I've seen this when I was a kid, and I haven't seen this until recently, so I decided to try it out. I've never tried this before, but it's really cool, so let's give it a try. So first I'll read the instructions. It says, adult supervision and assistance required. It's not gonna be easy. Okay, let's try and open it. Here we go, unboxing. So this is what it should look like. Hope it's good. And then we got some instructions on the back too. This is what's inside. I think we saved this. Yeah, we will use this as a table, the plastic. And we got some powder, rice candy powders. No rice included. We got, looks black, maybe it's a seaweed. Salmon roe, that's the fish eggs. We got green, and also a different salmon roe. Egg, tuna, and soy sauce. What? Powdered soy sauce? I bet it's gonna be really sweet. And then I guess this is where we make it. Okay, we're all set up. So first step is gonna be to make the rice. So I got some water. We're gonna fill up this little reservoir right here, number 1, with water. Then we're gonna add this blue packet, rice candy powder. Then we take our tool and mix. And it's supposed to look like a rice. It kind of smells like a cotton candy. It's starting to look like a marshmallow. Okay, starting to look like a rice. Next step is to make the omelet. Let's add the water here. Once again, mix. And then we will wait 3 minutes. While we are waiting, let's make the tuna. Oh, you can smell it, it's sweet. While we're waiting for our fish and egg to form, time to make the seaweed. And look, we got our own little table. Smells like bubble gum. It smells really good. Okay, looks good to me. Now we're gonna make the salmon eggs, or the salmon roe. Fill these up with water. Time to add the powder. And now we mix. All right, and this is where the fun begins. We're gonna put B in A using this dropper. Ooh, look at that. Like little eggs. This kit makes 5 pieces of sushi. So we're gonna take our rice. Oh my gosh, it's like a cloud. Now we will remove the egg. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. And we'll put it right there. Ooh. Ooh, like a jello. Let's See how it looks? Ooh, it's delicate. Oh, looks like a sushi! Looks really like a sushi. And feels like it. If you don't like raw meat, maybe try this. Next up, we gotta put that seaweed that we rolled out on this rice. Ooh, look at that. Then, we will add our salmon roll. What I will do to make them dry, because they're wet, just put them on a paper towel. Here, let them dry. Then I will add it. Ooh, look at this. Oh! Bruh. Okay, so we made all of our sushi, but what's sushi without soy sauce? Add water, and then your soy sauce powder. You wonder what's the flavor? Chocolate? Look at the color. Okay guys, there you have it. So we just made everything. Let's go surprise Mariane with a very special sushi dinner. Mariane, are you hungry, Mahal?
Yes, that's for dinner.
We are gonna be having sushi. Yes. Are you really hungry?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Dum 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 dum. What do you think?
Why so small?
Huh?
Why so small?
Well, you know, the fish is a small fish. That's why.
So
And a small
sweet.
egg.
It's so cute. Really, what is this?
So yeah, it's not real sushi. It's a candy. It looks real, huh?
It looks like a real salmon. Salmon. Salmon.
Oh, wait. Just like with any sushi, we need soy sauce.
Ew, soy sauce?
Oh yeah, even though it's a candy, well let's see the taste.
Ew, soy sauce.
Here we go. Dun, dun.
Yuck. Kadiri. Is this real soy sauce?
No, everything is candy. It looks real, right?
Smells so sweet. Look at that.
Try it.
Looks a real soy sauce. The texture of the egg, its texture is like sushi. It's not taste like sushi, but the texture, the egg is soft. Tastes like your hand.
Really? Oh no!
No, it tastes good. It tastes not super sweet. Tastes like, the texture is like rice, love.
Okay, so I think it looks amazing, but remember, it's not how it looks, it's how's it taste. It smells like candy? It is candy. Here we go.
Diba?
There's like jello, and there's like kind of like gulaman, you know, the water.
But it feels like eating real rice. Yeah.
The texture of the rice really tastes like rice. It's so sweet, though.
It's not super sweet.
I think it's really sweet.
Not super sweet for me.
All right, let's try the salmon now. Itadakimasu. Cheers. Kain tayo. This one was much more soft.
I like the rice.
This is something I feel a child would really enjoy, like making.
Yeah. I don't really like the sauce.
The last one is the salmon egg. Let's try the eggs. Look at this.
It looks like a real egg.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's try it. That's interesting.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's like a real egg that when you bite, there's something inside.
Yeah, look at this egg. You saw that squirt, please? Oh, it's cool.
Look
Bite.
at that color purple.
Oh yeah, because that's from the seaweed. Oh yeah.
It's purple.
I wonder what the
Look at
seaweed
this.
tastes like.
It's purple. Tastes like grapes.
I feel the seaweed tastes like the bubble gum. So it's like you don't want to eat, you don't want to swallow it.
It's sticking in my teeth.
If you've ever wanted to swallow bubblegum, like a grape bubblegum, this is exactly the texture.
Chewy. Still in my teeth.
Oh my gosh, it's purple!
Your mouth is purple too.
Hey guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This was a really fun video to make. It was really fun. Mariane, did you like it?
Yes. Not the last one.
It was more fun to make than more fun to eat. You know, this is just candy. It's not a gourmet meal. But I think this is something kids will really enjoy. It was really fun for me. Be sure to comment down below what foods you would like me to make in the next video. Check out my social media accounts and my other channel, link in the description below. And that's it. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Bye. How's the taste?